I welcome you, and I thank you for listening to us. Welcome to the National Assembly. We now invite our distinguished president, a man of focus, a man who loves the National Assembly, the one that will support you to support your constituents, to now present the 2025 budget.
Thank you very much. Thank you. After listening to this great remark of a great mind, colleague, and the President of the Senate, I feel I could have just lay the budget. With your rendition of the mandate support, I can't do otherwise. I must but respect you and go through the exercise of reading. It is a great honor and pleasure for me to be back where